Phase-Smith Carax. I have been looking for you.
Artanis. Praise the
Your
gods.
nerve cords. They must be removed.
It was done by the Dark Templar. I am free of the Kala's corruption. Are there others?
I have saved all that I could. Come. We must escape this world before time runs out.
Escape? How?
The Spear of Adun still rests beneath the ruins of Kor Shakal. Its generators are ancient, but a Phase-Smith of your ability will know how to bring them online.
The Spear of Adun. I am honored to have the opportunity. This is fortune we cannot ignore.
Indeed. Come. We must go at once.
Hierarch, we are en route to the Spear of Adun. As long as its generators still function, I should be able to bring them online. Once the spear is fully activated, we must flee from this fallen world.
The Spear of Adun lies dormant beneath the heart of the Conclave. I had hoped to raise it, to secure our victory against the Zerg. But now, it is our last hope for survival.
Artanis, why do you flee from your salvation?
Selendis. She has fallen under Amon's control. Carax, we have to bring the Spear of Adun online.
The first power cell is activating, but the remaining 4 have been disabled by creep.
I see. We have no choice but to clear them. What of our defenses?
Unfortunately, they are without power. However, the Spear of Adun support systems can aid us. They will allow us to deploy pylons anywhere on the battlefield. We should deploy one here as soon as possible. These photon cannons can defend our nexus point, Hierarch. They require only a pylon to function. You can warp in a pylon using the Spear of Adun. Press the Deploy Pylon button at the top of your command screen. Our cannons will now fire upon enemies within range. If they become damaged, the shield battery will restore their shielding.
These defenses will indeed be vital to our evacuation, but our first priority must be to clear the power cells of creep.
Justice be done. Gassar!
You require my... I am the voice of the Eclipse.
We can now transform our gateways into warp gates. This allows us to warp in warriors to any area with pylon power.
Cold is the void. Veraku. State thy plan.
My life for ire. We are the...
I am the heart of darkness.
The second power cell is active. The spear's sensor array is reacting.
Do not deny your destiny, Artanis. Your people have finally found true unity.
Reckoning.
Sensors online. Wait, what is this? Warp prisms approaching our nexus point.
Stalkers, eliminate those warp prisms.
Very wise. We move unseen. We are one with the shadows. It shall be as you say. Very wise. I serve for now. We move unseen. Cold, state thy bidding.
Circling bioforms on approach to our nexus. We must rally our defenses.
Very well. I am the heart of darkness. You require my skills. I am the voice. We are one with the shadows. For the reckoning. Veraku. Intriguing.
I'm detecting unpowered warp gates nearby. Constructing a pylon next to them would restore their power, giving us an advantage. The Spear of Adun's deploy pylon ability would be ideal for this. Of course, our probes can always warp in pylons as well.
State thy bidding. Cold, state thy bidding. I am here in the shadows. I am the heart of darkness. Cold is the void.
Warp gate online. We can begin warping in warriors from it immediately, Hierarch.
We are one with the shadows.
Upgrade complete.
Very well.
Karax, I've brought another warp gate online. Prepare it for immediate use.
My skills. Intriguing. Very wise. I serve for now.
but advise caution, Hierarch. You are approaching the Zerg's hive cluster. It will be heavily defended.
Against you. Even the ground beneath your feet carries the seeds of my victory.
Twilight for hire! Nidus worms. Warriors, strike them down. We are not defeated yet.
I am the heart of darkness.
We embrace the glory of battle. Base is under attack.
We move unseen.
Upgrade complete. You have not enough minerals.
For the reckoning. I am the voice of the eclipse.
Struggle no more. Be released from your pain.
We embrace the glory of battle. Twilight for hire.
I serve.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough.
I am here in the shadows. State thy bidding. Intriguing. We move unseen.
Life is broken. Flawed. It must be reforged.
I serve.
We're almost finished, Hierarch. The Spear of Adun is nearly online. Only one cell remains.
Enough. The end to the cycle of infinite madness has come. Cease your struggle against the salvation I bring.
Well done, Hierarch. All of the abandoned warp gates are now under our control.
It shall be as you say.
You have not enough minerals.
I state thy bidding.
Another pack of Zerglings is approaching our nexus from the south.
Very well. We move unseen.
All shall be one. All conflict shall end.
Transfer completed. The Spear of Adun is ready to depart.
Warp all Firstborn free from Amon aboard, Facesmith. We must flee this world if we are to survive.
As you command.